Dave Snyder here. It is the 21st of December, 2015, I think it is. Right. Okay, so I'm on Wonder Maps here, and they have been doing the weirdest stuff with their weather lately. I mean, right now I'm on. I mean, this picture right here is from here. Look at that. See that right there? It's from over here. I don't know why it's here. I have no idea why it would be there, but it's been weird like this for days. I mean, I zoom in and it disappears, right? And then no menu at all. It's gone. I don't know why. I mean, maybe there's something showing in the radar that they don't want us to see. I mean, I can see it if I go like this for a second. And there's the radar, but you can't zoom in and see it. So, what's it showing if I zoom in? Not much, I guess. I mean, I can't turn it off. I don't understand. And then, on top of that, I mean, that is very strange. I want to know what's going on in this area of the weather. Because you see what they're doing with this weather is they're doing this crap here. See how that cuts off and the weather's just different right there, totally different. I mean, it's totally different there, totally different right here. And you go over here and it does the same thing. Same thing. Look at this. It just cuts off. I mean, the weather's totally different on the other side. You know what I mean? That's just. And then on top of that, there's more. Got more. When you go back in time, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen because it used to work just fine. Okay, so current time, current. I'm gonna go back to. I don't know. Just go back. Okay, right there's fine. Okay, you see how there's pieces missing out of the weather? Okay, I can get all those pieces, but I can't get them all together at one time. Now, if I zoom in, I can get this. I can get these pieces, right? And now I can get those pieces. Okay, and now I can get some of those pieces, not all of them, unless I zoom in more, and then I might be able to get it. Maybe out. This will come in when I zoom out. Maybe. I don't know. See, oh, there you go. There's that picture again. On even on the, look at this, and then got this frame too that goes around North America. I guess that's the radar, but they're not showing any old radar either. I mean, this is totally ridiculous. Look at this. You can't get the whole thing at one time. I wonder why that is. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you can. Maybe it's just me. Maybe they're just targeting me and not allowing me to do it. Let me know if yours is doing the same thing. Mine's been doing this for a couple days. It's not like just today. This has been doing this for at least a few days anyway. And that's the first time I've seen that picture. Not the first time I've seen this frame though. That frame's there, been there for a little bit. Over just over the United States. That's it. They don't have one over Europe where they actually show the radar. I don't know why they don't have a frame there, like they do here. What's the difference? I mean, it has to be for the radar. Either that or it's there to put in a something that when they don't want you to see something, they can fill that in with whatever they want because it just shows it a broken JPEG right there. See that? Right in the corner, right there. Okay. So they can just put in anything if they want to, and this is there sometimes during the current. Put it on current. Okay, now the current, I can see all the weather on current. See how that is? But it still has these lines. Still has the lines. But it'll all come in at one time. But that's them doing that just shows me more that the stuff that that this stuff right here means more than what I'm talking about. I mean, just it being different on each side. It means something probably more. Some of this weather's not like today's weather. I think this area right here has been exactly the same for days. This part right here, I don't think it's changed. It's had the same pattern right here for days. It might, yeah, it's probably changed. I don't know. I should check that though because it doesn't look. I don't think it has. I'm serious. Let's go back a day or two, I guess, and see what happens. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Let's see, but even going back just till tomorrow, look at that. Even just one day. But look at the pattern, it's still there. That pattern's still there. Let's go back again. Come on. Look at now there's two of them. Oh, it's because it's the same place. Okay, so here we go. Get this back in up here, and there it is. It's going to be there. Let's zoom in out. Right there. See it? Same exact pattern. That pattern is exactly the same. I'm going to save it, and we're going to find out. I'm going to save it. Gotta save that. Because like I said in a video the other day, I took the video down because people thought it was just absolutely crazy. This weather would not be what they say it is, but I took those two sides on each side of this center picture where you see the line is. I just removed this and connected those two, and it fit. And then I even lined it up on the moon just beautifully. Oh my goodness! So I mean, there's something to that. More to it than meets the eye. Let me put it that way. Okay, so what am I going to title this? What is it? Same weather. Okay. And then we'll just go back a day or two. Let's go back to the 17th. I know it's probably still there. Look at that. It's still there. Look at that. It's the same pattern. I know it is. I don't think it's changed at all. Come on, give me the whole thing. There it is. I wish I'd get one more step. Oh, nope, won't let me. Okay, but that's good enough. I can work with that, I think. So I'll save that one too. See what I'm saying? That's the 17th right here, and we're at 4 days, and it's been like that exactly. So I'm just saying something's going on with that. Okay, so it's going to be shitty quality, but it's all right. All we need is the outline. Alright, let's do this real quick. I'll end the video here. That's good enough. It is exactly the same. It is exactly the same. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I mean, that's what I'm trying to show you. Look at this. It's exactly identical. There's no way. I mean, the colors are identical in every spot. Watch. See that? It is absolutely the same thing. Even this spot here, same thing. I can't get exactly the size because of the way that it was. I might be able to. Wow. So that's important. Look at everything. It's all the same. That whole patch is the same. And this is the 17th. Watch. We'll go back. 17th. That's the 21st, but this is the 17th right here. Because it starts on the 17th. And plus they're not showing us all the weather, so we know this isn't today. Because if it was today, it would show us all the weather. Like that. So, I was right the other day. Now I can absolutely show you what I wanted to show you when I connected these two together. This side and this side without this entire middle. Remove this entire section. Because this side looked the other day like it connected here, and this side down to here. You see, look at, see how this whips down, and you see how this whips down here. I think this is weather from last year. I don't know when it was from, but that's ridiculous. But I'll show it to you in another video. I just wanted to show you that for now, and that's the shit that I'm going through every day with this weather. I can get other weather. It's just I'm used to using this. I'm kind of lazy when it comes to this nowadays. Look at that over there in North America, though, right there. See that? Right there, that round. Nice. Anyways, have a good day. See, you've got something out of that one. just goes to show what they'll go through and what they'll downgrade just to hide this. And I guarantee you this is why this is like this. I have no doubt because I've been watching them do it since I've started doing this. Why would they downgrade everything? The weather on Google Earth has been downgraded for me. Maybe yours is fine. Mine sucks. It used to be good. Now it sucks. And it sucked for a couple years now. And this used to be good. Now it sucks. Completely sucks. I mean, it's not even worth looking at when you see that thing. It's been there for 4 days, exactly the same, exactly the same, exactly the same, every day. So there you go. Not crazy. Have a good one.